last year I bought the cheapest Porsche 911 in Germany. And in this channel I will cover my journey with it as well as some lessons learned and full cost breakdown. So in case you're new here and you like this type of content, make sure to subscribe. Anyhow, back to where I was. As many kids, I've dreamt about the Porsche ever since I was a kid. And actually, this is not my first Porsche. I also own a 2003 Boxster S, which I will cover in a future video. My budget for the Porsche 911 was around 15,000 euros. I was specifically looking for a car that was not crashed, had good documentation, and ideally had a sunroof. And I'm really happy with the car that I found. It's painted in ocean blue metallic color. Has the right wheels, it already came with the original turbo twists. It also comes with Porsche electronic headlights, which just means xenon headlights. Has electrically adjustable seats with memory, as well as heated seats, the original navigation, and a car phone. The car was listed already with an engine defect, but it was still running. And since I had already gone through one engine rebuild with my Porsche Boxster, after some negotiation, I decided to go for it. So the car I found was actually a one-owner car, which makes me only the second owner of this car, despite the fact that it's already 25 years old. It was originally bought in the year 2000, the same year when it was made. As I already mentioned before, this car was sold with an engine defect, but it was still running. I was hoping that it would not need to have a full engine rebuild done, at least not right away. But in life, it's never like that. Disaster after disaster. But now the car is all fixed. The engine has been fully rebuilt, car has been repainted. It also now has new suspension, and it has passed the technical inspection, making it road legal. However, the journey does not end here. This is only the beginning. So follow along. Thanks for being here with me, and see you soon.